Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining us at Easy English for Better You. Today, I am going to share a secret with you. I have taught over 100,000 students from all over the world, and I discovered something that will change how you see English. Many Japanese students feel they are bad at English. They study for years, but they cannot speak. They believe they have a special problem. But what if I told you this is not a weakness? What if I told you it is a secret superpower? Today, I will show you the 3 hidden superpowers that many Japanese learners have. By the end of this video, you will understand your true strengths, and you will know exactly how to use these strengths to speak English with confidence. Let me tell you about a student named Kenji. Kenji knew thousands of English words. He understood complex grammar rules. But when he tried to speak, his mind went blank. He felt frustrated and thought, English is not for me. Maybe you feel like Kenji. Maybe you feel stuck. But I told Kenji something that surprised him. Your problems are not problems. They are powerful tools waiting to be used correctly. Let's unlock them together. Your first superpower, the silent library. Many of you feel this way. I have many English words in my head, but they don't come out when I speak. This is not a memory problem. It is an access problem. Think of your mind as a giant library. It is filled with thousands of books, which are your vocabulary words. This is your first superpower. Many people start with an empty room. You are starting with a full library. You are already ahead. The challenge is not to add more books. The challenge is to find the books quickly. So here is how you activate the superpower. Do not try to learn new words today. Instead, let's practice using the words you already know. Pick one simple word you know very well. Let's use the word go. Now, make 5 simple sentences, as fast as you can. I go to school. Let's go now. They go home. We can go together. Where did he go? Did you see that? The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is speed. You are teaching your brain to pull the book from the shelf fast. Do this every day with a different word. Use have, like, see, or work. You are building a fast path to your silent library. Your words will start to flow naturally. Your second superpower, the grammar blueprint. Here is another common feeling. I think too much about grammar. I am afraid of making mistakes. This fear comes from your second superpower. You have a detailed grammar blueprint in your mind. You know how to build a strong, correct sentence. Many people who speak quickly without study are just stacking bricks. They don't have a plan. Their sentences might look okay, but the structure is weak. You have the blueprint for a beautiful, strong house. So how do we use this superpower without fear? We start with the simplest part of the blueprint. The most basic strong structure in English is subject, verb, object. Let's practice this. Think of a subject, I. Think of a verb, read. Think of an object, a book. Put them together. I read a book. This sentence is simple. It is perfect. It is strong. Trust this simple blueprint. For 1 week, only make SVO sentences. She likes music. We eat dinner. He drives a car. You are building your confidence on a strong foundation. Later, you can add more rooms and windows to your house. But first, you must trust the strength of your basic blueprint. Your knowledge of grammar is not a cage. It is a launch pad. Your third superpower, the detail-oriented mind. Now for the biggest challenge. I want to be perfect. Making a mistake feels terrible. This desire for perfection is your third superpower. It is a very sharp tool. But many people use this sharp tool to cut themselves. They judge every word they say. They focus on every small error. Let's point this tool in a new direction. Point it outwards, not inward. Use your detail-oriented mind to become a great observer. Listen to how native speakers talk. But do not just listen for the words. Listen for the music. English has a rhythm. Some words are loud and some are quiet. Listen to this sentence. I want to go to the store. The music is on want, go, and store. Your sharp mind is perfect for hearing this music. When you watch a movie or listen to a song, try to find the rhythm. Tap your finger to the strong words. Stop using your superpower to judge yourself. Start using it to copy the music of English. When you focus on the rhythm, you forget to be afraid. You are not thinking about mistakes. You are just feeling the music. This changes everything. Your perfectionism becomes your best learning coach. Your English journey starts now. Your greatest struggles are your greatest strengths. You have a silent library of words. You have a strong grammar blueprint. You have a detail-oriented mind to catch the music of the language. You are not starting from zero. You are starting with superpowers. Now you know how to activate them. Learning English is like building muscle. You need to practice a little every day. A single day of heavy exercise does not work. Watch this video again tomorrow. Listen to my sentences. Copy my rhythm. Pause the video and say the sentences out loud. Your goal for tomorrow is not to be perfect. Your goal is to be a little more comfortable than today. If you do this every day, the change will be so gradual you won't notice it. Then one day, you will have a conversation and the words will just come out. You will surprise yourself. You have everything you need to succeed. The journey starts with one simple step. Today. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more English learning tips. Join our membership to get the PDF summary of today's lesson and exclusive learning materials. I really appreciate your support, and I'll see you in the next video.